Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today sharing Bhuna Gosht recipe that's super simple to make yet taste extremely delicious. You can make this recipe as a quick side dish or carry in your lunchbox and have it with roti, naan or paratha. However, I am preparing a proper lunchbox today with steamed rice and for curry making quick tiffin sambar without onion or garlic, and that too is very easy. And also prepared healthy summer drink that's extremely refreshing and is loaded with lots of healthy nutrients and a must try drink. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So these are the few ingredients we require to make Bhuna Gosht. That's 1 medium-sized onion, handful of chopped coriander and mint leaves, 2 green chilies that's slitted, and a spice mix powder. This spice mix includes half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon each of red chili and Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin that's Jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. All the ingredient details are listed and mentioned in the description box. You may have a look. So here I have taken mutton that's boneless around 500 grams, cleaned and washed with turmeric and salt. Now to this gonna add in sliced onion. Bhuna Gosht means fried or roasted meat with some basic spices until they turn tender and juicy. Now add in all the remaining ingredients. And then to this we're gonna add ginger garlic paste around 2 tablespoons. Add oil around 3 to 4 tablespoons, salt as required, and then goes in half glass of water. Mix all well. You may marinate it if you like. Here I am directly gonna cook. Now cook until the meat turns tender. For my pressure cooker it took around 20 to 25 minutes. Depending on your pressure cooker, cook the meat until they are 90% done. Now you can see here the meat is 90% done. The remaining 10% we're gonna cook now. And you can also see there's enough moisture in there. If you want to use it as a semi gravy or masala type, you can use it. However, I'm gonna fry until all moisture gets absorbed in the meat as it's Bhuna Gosht. Meanwhile, preparing curry that's Tiffin sambar without onion or garlic. Into tur dal, just added tomato with little turmeric powder and sambar powder. We'll share a detailed video how you can easily prepare Tiffin sambar that goes great with idli, sambar, rice, and it's super quick to prepare. Now tempered with rye, methi dana, jeera, dry red chilies, and some curry leaves. And you can see a super quick sambar is ready. We'll share a detailed video soon, and also I have shared another quick sambar recipe in my channel. We'll share the link in description. You may have a look. Moving on to Bhuna Gosht, see it's completely done. It's well fried, all moisture absorbed, and looks so tempting and delicious, isn't it? And it's well cooked also, as you can see here. Now just garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. And it's a great side dish to have with roti, naan, paratha, and also with sambar rice, dal rice, lemon rice, simple pulao or puliogare. We'll share the link on how to make puliogare in my description box. You may have a look. Lastly, drizzle some lemon juice and enjoy Bhuna Gosht as an appetizer, side dish or main course. Do try and I'm sure you will love it. Since I'm preparing a proper lunch box where I'm gonna serve sambar with some steamed rice, and in salad it's cucumber and carrot today, and then prepared Bhuna Gosht as a side dish. Since it's summer here, I always make sure I give summer drink regularly for staying hydrated. Having healthy drink, eating fruits and nuts regularly is a must for healthy lifestyle for both kids and adults. Home cooked food is always the best and it's healthy too. Nowadays everyone is so busy, they see options to get ready-made store-bought foods. Hence I have shared several tips video on my channel on how you can make variety of home cooked foods and store them easily for longer time and enjoy whenever required. And you can see quick, easy, tasty and healthy lunchbox is ready. For summer drink today it's healthy ragi porridge. So this is the ragi java which I had already shared in my channel how to prepare in detail. We'll share the link in description. That was a savory version. Today serving sweet version. So into ragi porridge adding milk and some jaggery powder. Give a mix and delicious ragi porridge is ready. Have it chilled or at room temperature. It tastes yummy. Last but not the least, how many of you like to do this? I love to add some steamed rice into the Bhuna Gosht roasted pan and coat the rice with leftover spices sticking in there. The taste is next level. Do try and you'll fall in love. Hope you like this video. Stay connected with Nisha Thaju. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.